do we just assume right now that actually the allies will be exempt? It was kind of, we thought it was an America First policy, and then as time progresses, President Trump is kind of backtracking, saying, oh, but you're an ally, you'll be fine. You're an ally, you'll be fine. Yeah, but it's a constant thorn in the side of FX markets, right? These are only in place until June the 1st. So you've always got this perennial uncertainty. And what it's done is it's ambiguous. It's knocked some of the global animal spirits out of those pro-cyclical currencies like the euro that have been benefiting on sort of cycles. Now, that's the idea there is that can we look through that? Will real activity look through that, and sort of a second quarter activity in the Eurozone bounce back? We get back on track with the normalisation story that fueled the euro sort of upward swing. That's our base case. That's what we're looking for. Jim, do you worry that global growth has peaked? And I don't know whether it's a trade question or whether it's just in general we kind of reached the summum.
With the usual caveat when I'm on here that I don't look at this stuff as much or as closely as I do.
Used to, yeah.
It is still in my veins, so I do. Yeah. And actually, probably with Chatham House, I'll probably look at it more. It looks that way. I mean, there's 5 things I say every time on here. I look at every month, and if I see those 5 things, I think I know exactly what's going on with the world, and they've slowed. Some of it's actually surprisingly in Europe, most of it, and I don't really understand that. It's not from the leading indicators I'm used to. It wasn't predictable that Europe would just suddenly slow, so it could be weather related. I think here in the UK, a lot of it is almost definitely weather related. So I think today we get the PMIs, don't we? It would be very interesting to see if you get any kind of bounce back in some places. Because I'm suspicious that the slowdown is temporary, but it certainly looks like the world has slowed since the turn of the year.